Hello, dear parents. I'm Kavita Rajput, and today we are going to talk about something that often hides behind everyday routines. How our children's sleep and screen time are quietly shaping their brains. You might think they use the tab for just one more episode, or it's okay, they will sleep later. But behind that, just one more is a silent shift in how their brain works, learns, and rests. Now, let me share a story. Mira is 8 years old. Her mother told me some nights she sits playing on the tab until late. Then next day, she is tired, distracted in the class. What looked like harmless screen time grew into sleepy mornings, low concentration, and even mood changes. It wasn't just fatigue, it was brain and sleep cycles being affected. According to research, high screen exposure in children is associated with poorer cognitive and physical development. Screens before bedtime interfere with the brain's sleep hormone melatonin, curbing the body's natural rhythm. A recent study showed that children who spent more screen time and had less sleep had changes in white matter brain structure, the pathways connecting brain regions, and higher depressive symptoms. In a clinical trial with toddlers, removing screen time in the hour before bed improved sleep efficiency and night awakenings. Isn't that great? In simple terms, screens at late hours leads to brain wiring, memory, attention and emotions getting quietly affected. Now let's break this down. Blue light from devices tricks the brain into thinking it's still daytime. So sleep doesn't come easily. Delayed sleep onset means less REM sleep and less depressed, which means learning, memory, mood suffer. Overstimulation before bed, that is, playing games, watching videos, rapid switches, keeps the brain wired when it should be winding down. Over time, this impacts how a child focuses, responds in class, handles frustration, and regulates emotions. Result of this, what you see at home? A child who can't calm down after screen time. Trouble falling asleep even when the screen is turned off. Mornings when they are grumpy, groggy, or inattentive. Behavior shifts, more irritability, less patience. Parents, it's not just about too much fun. It's about brain and body needing rest and balance. So, dear parents, here are few steps you can take. Create a screen curfew before bedtime. Try no screen 60 minutes before bed. Replace with calming routine. Children can practice repeating Om or Brahmari Pranayam or humming for few minutes before bed. A scientific research says that this can increase nitric oxide in the body, which helps to relax and induce peaceful sleep. Reading, storytelling, gentle chat, or drawing also helps the brain to unwind. Dim the light, reduce blue light exposure, shift to soft, warm light. This also helps melatonin. Keep devices out of the bedroom. Encourage charging outside the child's room to avoid late night checking. And as I always say, model the behavior. Mom, dad is putting phone away now. Your example speaks loudly. Always give them a reason. Talk about why we are doing this so your brain can rest and you can feel fresh tomorrow. Teaching reason builds cooperation and not rebellion. Parents, setting screen sleep habits isn't a punishment. It's a gift to your child's brain, a foundation for stronger learning, better rest, happier mornings, and confident days. If your child is already late night scrolling, don't worry. Start with 15 minutes and build up. Change gently. Because technology is wonderful, but the child's brain deserves both play and calm. If this video resonated with you, please like, subscribe, and share with another parent who might worry about their child's screen time. So until next time, let's raise well-rested kids with strong brains and bright futures. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Take care.